Holy Gray? I think I'm streaming. I think my things are working. Okay. Holy Gray. It is the 31st of July. I think I'm streaming. Yeah. Um, and I'm almost done. I am working. Hello. Yo, I posted pictures of my cat. I'm gonna always post pictures of my cat in the cat channel. Um, cha-ching, cha-ching. Bro, I was just using so words. Exactly, bro. Um, all right. I'm working on saving. Oh, I don't have my thing. This is not true. Working on saving. Yeah, so I've done some thinking about how I want saving to work, like how many save slots. I'm thinking uh, um I am thinking just having 3, but yeah. Okay. So here's what we're going to do. I am currently making the save menu or the load menu, I guess, in the main menu thing, and I need to see the size of some images. This is 14 by 11. Um, isn't there like another one here? Yeah. Okay, this is 10 by 9, 10 by 9. Why does this one have to be 14 by 11? Why can't they just all be the same? Are these all the same? 10 by 8. 10 by 9, 10 by 9, 10 by 8. Okay, I'm gonna have to figure out a way. I can just not slice them? Well, no, because image components have to be like the exact size or whatever. Um, guess I'll just make a dictionary of this. Or I don't have these faces at all. I don't know. These also have to be grayscaled, which I have a grayscale shader, so it's low-key peak. It's low-key chopped cheese. Oh. Alright, I guess I'll like make a little text document saying the sizes. Odama. Alright, lock in. Locking. Yes. Save. All right. There we go. So, old timer, rabbit, bald eagle, lifer, tango? No, that is young buck. This is blue timer. No, it's yo, what? What is the blue-haired guy? What is his name? I can't remember it. Yo. I'm supposed to know this. Nope. Billy Goat. It's Billy Goat. Frosif. Tango. Maru. And then there's Escape Team, DTAF, and Elf for the custom ones. Or for the extra ones, I guess I should say. Alright, so this goes 10 by 8. By 9, 10 by 9. So it goes. So it's swapping until bald eagle or until Billy Goat. So it's 10 by 8, 10 by 9. And this is 10 by 8. Wait, what? Lifer's 10 by 8. Bald Eagle's 10 by 9. Rabbit is also 10 by 9. So this is 10 by 9. 10 by 8. This would be 10 by 9. 10 by 10. Lock in. 12 by 9. 10 by 9. 12 by 9. 10 by 9. Oh. 10 by 8. 10 by 9, 10 by 9, 14 by 11. Alright. So that's the size of their heads in there. Hello, Misha. I didn't look at your... Oh, and he's gone. So those are the head sizes. I need music, by the way. Lock in. I need music. Yo, what? What should I listen to? Break core, break core, break core. We'll do this one. This one's a niche one. It's actually not niche, but it'll be peak though. Alright, I need to look at my save file here. So it's just the head and it's the head times like 2, so it's double. Okay, and then the text is just moved over. Ooh, you know what I could do though? know what I could do? That's kind of overkill. Alright, head. Ayo sus. Yeah, we'll keep it 10 by 10 just because why not? And then it'll have an image. And it will not be a raycast target. Well, the biggest is this, so I'll move it over. Move it over to here. That's about right. Then I'll have the text start like here. Yeah, if the height and width change, though, it stays centered, so it's not a problem. And then I'll add load name text. And then let's see the format on that. So it's name space dash space. That. This will be moved over. It'll also be this. Move it over to here. Yeah, that's fine. Alright. Alright, none of these will be loaded in. So this text is fine. I need to shorten this to here. Looks fine, the head is good. Sus. That's sus. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Alright. Whoa! Misha has been talking. I was not even looking. What? Yo, I go sleep. Thanks, Misha. Okay. First English speaker. Alright, so there's 3 of these buttons. Holy lock-in, bro. Alright, and then it'll only have a back button because there's not going to be an erase button. Well, yeah, there'll be an erase erase button. So then there's, so there's gonna be the back button, the back, fine, I'll keep it a stretch, that makes it easier, and then this is this, event trigger, pointer down, and add that. None of these have event. I'll just copy this component. So I need to find the button. Oh, find the button. Maybe this? Might not be. Could be this. Oh, it's probably this. Yeah, because this is where the ones are in game. So it's 60. Yeah, that's right. So is this wow, is these two 60 by 16? And that's 60 times like what? Like 50? That's 16, yeah. And these two buttons, that's a good place for them to sit. And then one will be like right here. And then this. That. Then this, or no, this. Yeah. Then this. All right, and then so that's the back button, and then there's gonna be the erase button. Let's say erase. And then this goes over here. Alright, peek. So now this is good. The menu is there. Yeah. So where am I gonna store the saves? I guess I could just make a folder here. Yeah, and so I can just use file.exists here to check if there's a save file. Alright, so now I am going to figure out how I'm gonna make the prison know. Here's what I'll do. Okay, so I'm gonna make or do this. I can customize panel. Because in here is where it transfers all the data from the main menu into the prison. It's a very terrible script, but here we go. So it transfers it. Yeah, it should be data sender. And so, yeah, data sender. Public int. Current save. Boom. And this will equal -1. It should equal 0. It should equal 0. Because, or, no. It should equal -1. Oh, you know what? I should make a no save button. Maybe. Yeah, let's make a no save button. Because I actually like the idea of that. I think that would be a good addition. Alright, so you have these two, then I'll make no save button. No save. No save. It'll be in the middle. Pull the middle, so then I have to move these guys a little bit further away. There we go. So -325. This might look a little AIDS. Yeah, it looks fine. Looks fine. Yeah, I like no save being in the middle here. It's more, yeah, okay, that's good. No save. I like the addition of no saves. So this will automatically equal -1, which will be the no save. FC rename anim, or no, FC rename. I'll add a variable called public int current save. This will equal -1. And then, alright, so then data sender script dot current save equals current save. And then current save will be chosen. It'll be current save will be determined in the button script. So I actually don't have to make a script. No, I do have to make a script for this though. Or no, I don't. All I am doing is activating this and deactivating this. So it'll stay deactivated. Should go into the button script. So I gotta change a thing here. So play game. This is loud. So play game. Currently sends you to the prison select, but it shouldn't because that's not how it is. So I need to change a few buttons. So let's see. I think it'd be title play, right?
Maybe main play game, here we go. So actually this should now be, what is it called? Save panel. And then this goes away. And then save panel, we'll do the save panel stuff later, but and then that means that you're dying. Why are you dying, bro? And so then prison select. Cool. Bro, go to sleep. Yo, lock in, bro. Alright, so now that's good. And then I need to make save public void save button. Then public void save back. Public void save no save. Public void save erase. So the save button will just select the save. Well, if the save is empty, then it goes to the prison select. But if it's not empty, then it should load the prison and the save. Alright. Trying to think of what I want to do here. Well, I know save back is easy. Save back is save panel false. What? Oh, it's not straight. Doing this and then close. Save no save is just gonna go. It's not gonna change anything. Actually, it should. It should. Does that have the NPC rename? It does. That current save equals -1, and then save panel. False, and then prison select panel. True, and then open. Save erase will open the erase thing. So maybe I should make that 2. I'll do later. I need to actually make saves implemented first, and then I can do the erasing of saves. um. Yeah, why does everyone like love Generic Mystic's voice, bro? Lock in, chat. Alright. MC name script dot current. I need to I need the I need this. I need this. Base for data. Alright, and then clicked so I get the name of that. It's save and then there we go, and then and this is num. And then, depending on, check if save is real, then do something if Israel. Israel. Okay, this is the same thing. Yeah. And so that's it for the buttons. Let me think here. So these three buttons are all gonna have the same thing. Button controller, save button. Button controller, save button. Back button. No save. Then erase, which doesn't have a function yet. Well, it does have a function, but it doesn't have any code in the function. All right, so this should be good. I also, whenever I get loading or script or saving done, I need to make it so that at the beginning of every, like whenever you load into the game, it checks if there's saves and then populates the save thing based on that. Or I just do it every time you open the save menu, which actually might be better because, yeah, that's probably better. Alright, so that's the save panel almost done. I need to do the apply main menu data to it. Save menu stuff. So, do I still have the save panel? Like, I do. Okay, so that should not be that. So that's 291. Then so that's the button, and then button. This one's pretty easy, from what I remember to find. It's 292, and I know the outline. Yeah, it's down here for some reason. All right, 292, and then sprite, state, stuff. And this is 466. Boom. Alright, so that's the buttons, and then back button. This will equal 296. This is the same as the other two. And then sprite state. And then, wow. Alright, that should be good for the save menu. Yeah. Alright. And the button script can just set the save thing. I don't really want to make a whole other script for the save menu. Kind of seems like a waste. Especially when all the interaction is happening on button press, so there's no like actual logic being run every frame. Alright. So this will start inactive. It'll also this these will all have new game text. So for now, this is a work in progress here. Alright. Need to close the Escapists so this works, and then here we go. Here we go. Oh, dude. Oh my goodness. It feels like playing the game. These... Oh, these have the wrong type of button. Let me redo that. There we go. That should actually be already... That should do it. There we go. This does nothing. Alright. Alright. So let's see. So I chose the 0th one. So that should mean that this, yep, 0. And then if I choose no save, it's -1, 2, 1. Alright, that's good. So data sender will just have the current save. I don't know. I think that maybe I should have the current save be a part of the map object, the current map object in the prison. It doesn't really matter. It's one number, so I don't want to have to do that. Also, I'm turning off all the sound for all the music. This is so nice, by the way. This is cool. This is also cool. Okay, this is kind of awesome. I'm not gonna lie. Kind of forgot that I did that stuff. This is pretty cool. Dude, this just feels... Dude, this, like... it just feels like the Escapists, bro. This feels so awesome. You know what I mean? Alright, let's see. So... yeah, that's just... I just wanted to get that done. So now I have a way to do this. Alright. Let's do the actual save menu and try to create a save file, perhaps? I don't know, maybe. I think I have my current, like, my save text file here to help me out with saving stuff. It's stuff for saving. Here we go. Why didn't I add this? Why didn't I add if the toilet is clogged? And, oh, that's, yeah. So this is the only thing I didn't add. Why didn't I add the toilet stuff? Alright, well this should work. I remember working on this and kind of just throwing it together. I'm gonna, actually, you know what? I'm not gonna make the prison save menu just yet. I'm gonna make a command for the debug menu. Because that'll also be nice to have, just to have a debug menu command for it. Why not? So let's go to the debug thing, debug menu, and then I'll add this. /save. Done. That's it. So if, yeah, it'll just be command. If command is this. Yeah. So if it's /save, then save, and then Alright, so that's good. So I think I made a saving script, but nothing accesses it. So, but this will, so I don't have to make a menu yet. I'll make a menu later, but I want to see. I do want to see if there's anything wrong right now. So what I'm going to do is saving will just be on the script object. I think it already is, right? Yeah, it is. So I can, I think save is just a function, right? Yeah. So I can save. So do I have the saving script? I don't think I do. Hello, Amber Bowser. I don't think I've seen you in my stream. Alright, that'll save. Well, yeah, okay. So I'm gonna do this. I should just run it just to see if it throws any errors. It doesn't, like, technically it doesn't do anything right now. But if there's something wrong with it, it'll tell me. So I'm just gonna run it and see. I highly doubt it's gonna work because I like wrote that script so quickly. I probably didn't do it very well. It's kind of all over the place. I mean, not really. It's structured enough. Structured enough. Alright. We in? Alright, thank you. Alright, so /save. Okay, so there is an error. Here. At this part. What? Oh, this is probably null. Inmate give name is probably null. It's probably what it is. Where is this? This is in inventory. Just check if it's null. I mean, it looks smooth in the normal game. Oh yeah, it's kind of a let me check this. If this fixes it, then that's kind of an issue, but it's fine. It should make sense if that fixes it for other things. It'll be so cool to play. Are you in the Discord server? You should join, because, like, I talk about what I'm doing and stuff in it. Let's see if this fixes it. No, it did not. Okay. So that's not the issue. The issue is that it's just null. I think it's just null. You don't wanna? Okay. Wait, why am I doing .2 string here? It's already a string. That's dumb. Alright. If this is null. Yeah. Why is string not on here? Are we serious? Yes, using system. If this is null, say plus equals this. Just this, and then, yeah, else this. This will continue to be a problem. Well, it didn't throw, oh, it doesn't think that my weapon is null right now? Oh, it probably did it for the outfit. That's what it's doing. It's messing up on the outfit. That makes sense. So I should add that here as well, that check. Also, it shouldn't be that two string. It's already a string, right? Is it? Yeah, it is. I can just copy this. So there's this guy. I don't know if anyone's watching right now, but I'm gonna talk about this. There's this guy or girl, I don't know. There's this person in Generic Mystics server. Oh, that's cool. But there's this guy in Generic Mystics server that is making an Escapists remake. It's not like mine. It's like literally just a 1-to-1. There's nothing like new for his, and he's not gonna release it, for legal reasons, because he doesn't want to do the whole decompilation thing like I am. But he's making this. He's making. Hold on. He's doing it. He's remaking the game or whatever. Wait, what? Why is? Oh, I didn't do it. He's remaking the game, and I was talking to him about it for a little bit, and then he told me that he has basically just been using AI for the whole thing, which is kind of insane. Like, it's like, what are we doing? Oh, I did do toilet. Maybe. I don't think I finished it. And there's the escape source. Escape. Oh, if I put a comment, I remember, if I put a comment anywhere, then that means it's not done. Okay. But I was talking to this guy. He like only used AI for it, and I'm like, what, bro? He was like, what could have taken me years has only taken me a few months thanks to AI. I'm like, yo, like, I don't know. It's just sad because like, it's obvious since it's using AI. It's just a terrible problem. Here's okay. This could be a little rant, but I'm like really like, I'm not mad at him for using AI or whatever, but this just kind of got me started thinking more about this topic. If you're working on a personal project just for you, even if you're not releasing it, like especially if you're not releasing it, if you're not working for a company for this, if you're just doing it on your own time and you're doing it just for the love of the game, right? Like me, but I am releasing it. Then why on earth would you use AI? Like, it doesn't make any sense to me. Like, I understand a company wanting to speed up production time by using AI and programming, and AI is definitely to the point where it can do that for companies, and obviously we can see the issues with them doing that. Take Windows 11, for example. There's a lot of AI code in it, and it is not good. But, of course, as AI gets better, it won't really matter. But for companies, obviously it makes sense that they would use AI. I don't really have a problem with companies using AI for code, because they don't just tell them to write the whole code base. They have people watching over. Like, AI has kind of transformed the programming job market into people more so overseeing these AI models writing the code instead of writing the code themselves. Which is, I think that's actually a pretty good thing, because it code's faster and there's still human interaction in it, and they're overseeing it, because obviously you can still make mistakes no matter how advanced it gets. But for a personal, like, just an indie, like, personal project, even if it's not even like a game, like if you're just making like a basic program or something, what's the point in using AI? Because like obviously it speeds up the time to make it, but I feel like part of the reason why you're doing it is for making it. Like you are making it for the journey of making it, if that makes sense. Like, it's not about the destination, it's about the journey or whatever. And yeah, like, it's like, obviously, like, yeah, I guess you could spend less time on it and get it done faster, but I feel like you're doing it for the wrong reasons. Like, I mean, you can do it for whatever reason you want, but like, it just doesn't make sense to me. Like, why would you do that for a personal project? You know, and that's why I don't use, I don't just generate my game with AI. Like especially for the Escapists too, like, not 2 like the number, but TOO. But especially for the Escapists, like, the Escapists is like a really complex game, and there's no documentation on it. There's like next to no documentation on the really intricate parts of it. And so AI's not gonna know what to do. I mean, you can like throw it like all the numbers and like whatever. What? But like, you can give it the numbers and all the specific stuff, and then you can tell it what to do. But like, it's just like, it's gonna get stuff wrong with the Escapists. Like, the Escapist is a very strange game, but it's also really complex, and there's a lot of nuance in the Escapists, and a lot of things that I don't even know about in the game. I probably know more about this game than anyone else. Well, there's me and maybe 2 other people know more about this game than anyone else. And for someone who doesn't know the game as deep as I do, I know I'm like, this is kind of prideful, but legitimately, like, this is a very niche game, and I obviously, through working on this project, I know like every mechanic, like how it works, like very intricately. Like, obviously, yeah, like you know, whenever you punch an inmate, you punch it and he loses health. It's way more than that. It's like there's the timing between you can move after punching, and then there's the time of the punching animation. The time of the punching animation doesn't change, but the time when punching and then being able to move, that's what changes from the speed stat. And then there's the calculations done that actually, you know, what is the time, like all that stuff. And you know, people who are just using AI just to be like, yeah, generate the Escapists, like, it's not going to know what to do, and you're not going to get a one-to-one remake. Like, and so, if AI is going to cause more trouble than good, why even use it? I don't know. It's stupid. Why are we using AI on personal projects? Obviously, this is the first game I've ever made, and around the start of this project, I used AI for like maybe 2 little scripts that have been completely rewritten since then because they sucked. AI messed me up on this project, I'm not gonna lie. I was thinking about this earlier today. Items in this game are just like terribly managed because of an AI like suggestion that now I can't really change it because it's like ingrained into the game's source. Basically, yeah, basically like I was doing the first thing I ever made for this game was the items, and there's obviously, I don't know if you know any programming, but there's this thing in programming, at least in C#, which is the language I'm using for this. That's alright. There's this thing called an object, and an object is just this thing that holds parameters. So I can make an item object in the code, and it has like durability, chipping, whatever, blah blah blah, and like a million whatever. So there's these objects in code. There's this thing in Unity called a scriptable object, which basically, I don't know why it's a thing. It doesn't do anything new. It's just whatever. Honestly, I don't know why it exists in Unity. I'm gonna be honest. But anyways, AI told me, hey, you should use scriptable objects for items instead of just regular objects in C#. And so I just took advice because I didn't even know what an object was at that point. I'm not gonna lie. I was such a beginner coder at that time. And that decision, mixed with a couple other decisions for the items system, completely has like, there's weird parts in the code now because I have to check for really weird things because of that suggestion by AI. And it just ruins it. I would have much rather have just done it the way that I currently would want to do it than how AI did it back then. I mean, I don't even know like how, and that was back then. AI is like more advanced now, whatever. But that was like a terrible suggestion. Like looking back on it, like as an actual good programmer now, at least I think I'm a good programmer now. I'll look back and on me saying that and clearly disagree in the future. But like, it was a terrible suggestion. Like, I don't know how people used AI to code back then. It was just so bad. Like, nowadays, I get it. Like, companies, again, like I said, using AI to code, I don't really care. I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, so all that to say, why are we using AI on, like, personal, just, like, indie projects? Like, it just makes no sense to me. But anyways, I need to work on this. So I think I just need to reload, and those changes will apply. But it's just so much more fun to do it yourself. Like, I've had so much fun just working on this. Like, I don't care about the release. I care about, like, just doing it, like getting to the release, not release. Like, releasing is just going to be one little point in this game's history. The 2.5 years that it took to develop it is way more important than the release. It is way more impactful on me, and Oh, hello. Out is my love. Who are you? I'm getting new people in my stream. Is this the first game you made? Secret. Is this the first game you made? And also, AI not knowing stuff makes sense because when I look for it. Yeah. Well, you would think, like, well, Unity has a lot of tutorials, so AI could just use them, but what, I don't know. Yeah, this is the first game I ever made. This is the first, and this is probably the only game I'll ever make. I don't plan on making a game after this. Let's see if this works now. Oh, there's another error. Well, we got past the previous error. Moving up in the world. Okay. The Escapists is not that popular. Well, yeah. No, I mean like tutorials and like how to use Unity and stuff like that, how to program. Because from that, like, you can do anything. If that makes sense. Yeah, the Escape is really not popular. It's super niche. So, well, this is... Let's check this, actually. Should ask. Ooh. I see why. Mission ask is not on the scriptable, or is not on the script object. It's on something else. What is it on? Is it on an NPC? That'd be AIDS. If it is. It is not. Is it on the player? Escapists deserve more attention, to be fair. Great graphic and fun mechanic. I agree. I think the Escapists should have a lot more attention. Oh my goodness, Scratch. I know you can do some like crazy, like impressive stuff in Scratch though, for like what it is. I've seen some like really cool things in Scratch, I'm not gonna lie. Obviously, you're like crazy limited, but with that limitation, people can find ways to break past that, and it's really cool. Alright, maybe it's in the mission script or favor menu panel. Nope. Mission panel? Yes. Ding ding ding. Mission panel is... There we go. Why ban? I wonder why. Sometimes when I make Scratch games, I get really confused. Why is that? I get confused if I did try... I looked at Scratch like a year ago just for fun. Just to see what it was about. And it looks pretty confusing, but I mean, if you keep working at it, I'm sure you could, Bro. Not gonna... I told him. I already told you why. Because of glitches? Oh, like, you mean like bugs? Or like bugs in your programming? Or like glitches on Scratch? Like Scratch has glitches. I mean, programming in quotes. I mean, it's still logic. It teaches logic. Did I seriously choose a no-save prison? Oh, glitches I make. Is there not, like, a way to, What bet? Dude, I'm gonna block him. Yeah, is there not, like, a way to debug in Scratch? Like, because usually when programming, your interactive development environment will tell you like where there's an issue in the code, but obviously Scratch isn't really code. I think it converts what you like write into actual code. I don't know. I could be wrong. I know it's like a blocking thing. Does it not like say like where there's an issue in the code, or it runs fine, but there's just an issue? A lot of the times when I have a bug that doesn't actually show an error in the code, I just well, sometimes I ask AI. I'm not gonna lie. If I'm really stuck, I ask AI. And then if I have to do that, it's usually something really dumb too, like I misspelt like a variable or something. That actually happened really recently, where I just forgot to like change like one number in a thing, and it broke. And I didn't catch it, but AI did, of course, because AI is like smart. Well, it's not smart, but it can detect things like that. If I ever make a bug that doesn't have an error traceable for it, I just kind of retrace my steps in the code. I kind of just like look at each line and like see what it does, like really try to find it. Sometimes it's because there's a page for debugging, but it says drink water. That's funny. That's actually interesting. I'm surprised that Scratch doesn't have like an actual like error handler. I mean, maybe it does, and I'm saying the wrong thing. So I chose this one. I shouldn't choose no save. I'm trying to save. I don't know why I chose no save. There we go. And an error. Oh, we're past the last error. It doesn't tell me when my code is wrong. Yeah. But like wrong. So like if you can you make an error in Scratch block? I don't think it would like let you make an error. Right? I could be wrong though. I mean, I think for Scratch you'd have to just like figure out where it went wrong. Right? Because it wouldn't tell you. Well, obviously, because it doesn't tell you. All right. Each item in desk, for each desk in desks. Okay, well, I know desk has desk data. So, where is desks being a thing? Desks. For each this. Oh, okay, what I should do here, play the game so I can see the bugs. Yeah, play the game. It's down here, desks. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna log like what the name of the desk is, because that could actually help me out here. Because I bet you there's like, because of the way that I'm making this desk list is kind of weird. So yeah, I should just check like if, or no. Because toilets don't have desk data. That's probably it. Toilets don't have desk data. They just have like the desk. They just have like toilet data or something. So obviously that wouldn't work. Toilets. I think I handle them differently, anyways. I don't know why they would be in the desks. So where? Let's see the By the way, if you didn't see, I changed the global data. Yeah. I did. How's that going? Yeah, so it's the toilet. I was right. Right, toilet right. No, I was right about the toilet thing. Alright. See, so this helps. See? Boom. Alright. So I just not have the toilets here. Because I already have a toilets list. I'm sure that I go through the toilet thing. Whenever I type dat, it changes it to date. That's funny. You just do a data file. Because that's what it's short for, I think. That makes sense. Toilet stuff. I need to add toilet. I'm gonna do this, but for toilets as well. Play the game so I can see the bugs. My game? Yeah. Well, I'm fixing them. I have to fix them. This should actually be item data and item the no toilets are a little different, and I think that each toilet has like a toilet data thing, right? Toilet inv. And yeah, it's just a list of item datas, okay? There we go. All right. So that's toilets. What are some games you play? Recently I've been playing, I've been getting back into some Sonic games. Sonic is a big one. I play a lot of Sonic. Oh wow. Oh, I like this one. I like this one. I play a lot of Sonic. I play the Escapists, obviously. I don't really play the Escapists. I'm gonna be honest. I don't really play it. I just, I remake it. I don't really play it. I play Undertale, Deltarune. I need to finish Chapter 5 of Deltarune. I have to get to that. I'm like midway through it. I like One Shot. I mean, I'll just go through my Discord thing. This is a pretty comprehensive list. Yeah, like Sonic. These are my two favorite Sonic games. What do you mean you speedrun? Well, I used to. I really don't speedrun the Escapists anymore. Gotta be honest. I kind of stopped speedrunning the Escapists a couple years ago, just because the game changed like a lot a couple years ago, and I kind of just didn't really like it as much because of how big of a change the Craft and No Glitch made to the whole game. I'm still in the community, obviously. Like, that's my number one like Escapist community I'm in. That's my number one community I'm in online, period. And I still try to find glitches and like help out with speedrunning and specifically, but I don't really do it anymore. I mean, I can if I want to. I could just boot up the game and speedrun because I know the tricks, but I don't really do it anymore. I recently have speedran the Survivalists, which is really fun. I actually really enjoyed speedrunning these survivalists. I found a bunch of glitches with Yeeter. I don't know if you know Yeeter, but he's a guy. He's a guy. But yeah, he helped me. Well, he didn't. He doesn't even have the game, but we found some things. And then Spud's Quest, which is not even on here, but it's basically the game. It's basically the game that the developer of the Escapists made before the Escapists. And there's references to it in the Escapists, which is pretty cool. But I speedrun that. That's probably my favorite speedrun to do of all time. I'm not gonna lie, because I found all the trick. I mean, it's crazy. The run is crazy. If you like want to see a cool run, look up my Spud's Quest World Record run. It probably won't even make any sense why any of it's like crazy that it's happening, but it's cool. It's cool. There's a lot of out of bounds stuff and just really interesting routing. So yeah, I like all the Escapist games in the Escapist series. Undertale, Deltarune, One Shot, Yume Nikki. I really enjoy, especially recently. I've been playing a lot of Yume Nikki and Yume Tsuki. Geometry Dash, I used to play a lot more than I do now. Portal 1 and 2, I really like. Minecraft, I don't really play. Yeah, the Escapist inmates say that, yeah. I don't really play Minecraft much anymore, but I used to play a lot of Bridges on my men. Terraria, I love Terraria. I love Terraria so much. I like Ultra Kill. The Lego Movie video game is probably is definitely my favorite Lego game. I grew up with it. I 100%ed it like a year ago or something. It's really fun. I like FNAF. I don't really play it much. I do like FNAF though. I've played through all the games. I just don't play it much anymore because there's no point. I really like Cluster Truck. It's a fun game to just sit down and play. And then Granny. I love Granny. This is not Granny. What is this? This looks more like Granny. This is Granny 2, and then this is Granny 3. But I really like Granny. I haven't played in a while, but I'm really good at it. I can play like impossible mode Granny, and it's so fun. I love Granny. What is this music? I'm not listening to this. I don't know what to listen to. See, look, Yuminiki. I guess I can listen to this. They'll probably show more Deltarune music. I'm just gonna block this guy, I'm not gonna lie. I do not really like him that much. Profile? How do I do this? I've never blocked someone. Here we go. Block. Boom. I beat Granny 1 Impossible mode, and I'll probably be at Hollow mode. Or you'll probably beat Hollow mode. I'm not as good. Yeah, same. I'm not really good at the other, as good as the other games. Like, I can play, like, hard mode on the other games. I think I've beaten Granny 3 one time. But I'm better at Granny 2. But yeah, I beat Impossible mode quite a few times just so I get the points to like unlock Hollow mode. I'm assuming you're talking about Granny Legacy Edition or whatever. I've tried Hollow mode a few times. Do you know presets? Yeah. I've tried Hollow mode a few times and it's so hard. Like, I got kind of far in a few times, and I kind of made a route, but it's just I want to return to it because that's something that I really actually do want to do at some point. Yeah, I would always choose one of the presets. I forgot what it was though. I think it was like, I don't know. It was the one where you can get the shotgun, or not the shotgun. You can get the the weapons key from the car. Yeah, it's hard. Like, impossible mode gives you just enough leeway for it to be like not really bad, but like hollow mode is hard. That's preset 4. Yeah. I would always choose preset 4. I don't think that's the one a lot of people choose though, right? Like, I think people choose a different one, but I just know preset 4 really well, and I made a route for it.
Yes, that was the... Dude, this is such a good song. I love this song so much. Dude. Alright, if I change... this to borderless... No, okay. So, Unity thing. Alright, let's try this again. Let's see if I get even farther this time. $2,046 is the length of the speech file. Why is that a thing? Where is this? Missions. I use preset 4 for difficult. Wow. I use preset 4 for difficult, easy to hard, and preset 5 for extreme to impossible. I'll probably use preset 4 to do hollow. Okay. Yeah, I thought people use like preset like 2 or something. I don't even know. I don't know. Yeah, I mean, it makes sense. Preset 4 is like pretty good. But in hollow mode, like, you can't... I don't think you can use the sauna to kill Granny, right? Like, you have to, maybe you can't. No, you have to, like, you just have to use doors a lot, I think. You have to use, like... I made a semi-consistent strat of getting out of the starting room in hollow mode. But after that, after that, I can go through, like, I don't know what the names of the rooms are called. I can go through, like, the, kind of like the back rooms, I don't know what they're called. It's like the, like, you push over the boxes to get to the area. I don't know what it's called. But I can go through that section and get all the items just fine. But it's just going from there back to, like, the basement just to, like, have the things there, that's hard. Like, I put, like, some of the items through, like, the grate from the back room area to the basement, because you can, like, push them through. I think it's better just to put Granny in the sauna without killing her, because when she wakes up... That's true, yeah. But then she breaks the door. She breaks it. If you use the door thing. Which, I mean... I don't know. I guess you don't have to do that. You can just close the door normally. Yeah, I haven't played Granny in, like, so long. I used to be, like, really good at... like... I used to play more, like, last year. But I haven't played recently. Alright, I haven't even tried. Let me save. Saving to slot. Oh, it did it! Boom. Do you know what FNAF Max mode? Yeah, of course I know what FNAF Max modes are. Do you watch the Bones 5? I watched the Bones 5 a lot. He recently... Well, he was streaming recently. That's what I was thinking of. He streamed, like, Hopeless Pursuit on the original version or something. No, I'm not, I do not play FNAF Max modes. I've played 420 mode, and that's about it. That's probably the hardest mode in FNAF that I've played. Uh, I don't really plan on playing any of the hard, because that stuff's crazy. Like that, like I don't know. I couldn't do. I don't even know if I could do 50-20. I'm not gonna lie. That looks way too hard. You have to know all the stuff. But there, I mean, that stuff gets crazy. So it's saving. It's going through the whole script now, and it's not throwing any errors, which is a good thing. Also, I'm not returning here. That's why you can see this after saving to slot 0. I'm learning this on a piano. It's really fun. I love playing this. The hardest mode I beat is Relative Chaos. There's an 800. I think that's good. I don't know. I can't tell. I've never heard of Relative Chaos. But I also don't. I'm not like super into all the max mode stuff, so I don't know a lot of it. Bro, this song is so good. Alright, saving. So I can... Oh, okay, hello, there's more stuff here. The hardest challenge later level I beat is Crazy 2, which is an insane demon. The hardest I've beaten is like a hard demon. I think I beat 9 circles. Honestly, I can't remember if I beat 9 circles. And I think I beat Future Funk as well. That was fun. Maybe I didn't beat it, but I think I got to like 80%, maybe? If I didn't beat it, I got to like 80. I honestly can't remember. That was like all last year. I come back to GD like every year just to like beat another hard level just for fun. Like, I mean, like a hard demon. Spend like a week on it and it's fun. I also beat No Wise, but that's easier than those two, I think. Is it peak? Okay. Prisoner stashes. Ooh, prisoner stashes. I have to save prisoner stashes cameras. I don't know. Team 17 might still care. I'm not doing this right now. I can't. I'm not focused at all. I really don't want to work on this right now. Not gonna lie. I did make some progress, but whatever. Some progress is better than no progress. Yeah, I think Team 17 like kind of cares. Not really. I don't know. Like. They recently made a post earlier this year about like the 11th anniversary of the Escapists, which is so weird. Like, why not just make a post on the 10th anniversary? Like, that would make more sense, but I don't know. I guess they forgot. But they made a post earlier this year on that. That's literally all they've talked about the Escapists like in years. So I don't know. I don't really think they do. They recently made DLC for the Survivalists. but oh my goodness, it's so bad. Like, it was so obviously just a cash grab. Like, the DLC isn't even really like any new content. Like, I'm not gonna lie. Like, it's all reskins of things already in the game. The only new thing is like they added potions or something, and they barely do anything. It's like, it's so dumb. It's dumb because it's like their best game series, but they're just such a terrible company. Like, they're such a terrible game development studio. Their game development studio like side is it's just bad. I don't know. It's really sad because The Escapists is really like a good game, but Team 17 is kind of ruining its reputation. Why did it say playtime 2 minutes? Played hours of that game. Spud's Quest is peak. So many Sonic games. Five Nights at the Loud House. What are we doing? Yo. That's really funny. I low-key might end stream. I don't know. I'm not really feeling like working on the game right now. Not gonna lie. Kinda just want to chill out today. Relative Chaos is in 5 Nights at the Loud House. Oh, so that's like an actual like game. Like, it's not like a joke game. Wait, I want to see this. Okay. It sounded like a fake like meme FNAF fan game. I guess it's actually real. Okay. Didn't that one like FNAF fan game maker like die recently or something? He like killed himself, right? Like, there's a guy that just like killed himself or something. I don't know. I think I heard something about that, but I'm not in the loop at all. But I'll end stream. You should join the Discord server. Bye-bye. You never heard about that? No, he made Chipper and Sons. Tycoon Sons. Wait. Is it Tycoon Sons or Chipper and Sons? It's Tycoon Sons, yeah. Yeah, Mixless. Mixless died. Mixless, like 2 weeks ago, yeah. He, or something. It's Mixless' dad. Yeah, see? It's really sad. Yeah, it's kind of sad. I don't know. I never really played any of those games, but I did watch a lot of videos about Tycoon Sons. So, but yeah, I'm gonna end stream. See ya.